As you can see, we are here in beautiful sunny Asia, but a few months ago I did a freelance project with the KNRM, which is basically the Dutch life-saving service. It was quite interesting and I filmed a bunch of behind the scenes and wanted to release the video, but they didn't release the main video until recently. So let's jump back to May and I'll see you back here afterwards for more videos from Asia. Enjoy. What's up guys, I'm here with the KNRM. Today we're going to be doing a video about how much of a swim you're going to have if you get into trouble for every minute you kite out to sea. Kind of a public awareness video, and I'm going to be getting some shots on the boat, in the air with the drone, and also with a POV. And yeah, come along for the ride.
I want to get a shot of them driving onto the beach.
So, here we go, ja.
Hoi iedereen, Kevin Langeree hier en ik sta op het strand van Noordwijk. En vandaag zijn de omstandigheden super goed om te gaan kiten. En ik ga iets heel gaafs doen vandaag.
Okay. You're gonna go, you're gonna fall, then I'm gonna fly the drone back. I'm gonna put the drone in the air as they go out to you, and I'm also gonna film them with the camera. So pretty much from here on out. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Okay, yeah, walk in, pick it up. Okay, walk off. Good.
Eén shotje nog nodig. Zij vindt het woord. Ik doe bij jou, jij pakt het. Doe net alsof die sticker hier zit.
I'm here.
Je kijkt.
Go for it, yeah.
You want him to come out of the truck and then...
Yeah, maybe you just, yeah, maybe get the driving shot.
Stop.
All right, so that was a really good experience. I think we got all the shots that we needed to get. We got the aerial shots, we got some 360 stuff, and then we also got main camera on the R5. This is the equipment these guys are using to save people on a daily basis. It's pretty cool to be part of it and to also be on board and see the power of that boat and how everyone works together so well. Really stoked to be working on this project, but now it's time to get into the edit. Are you pretty exhausted or what?
Dude, my legs are good for today. Definitely a leg workout.